Hello everyone, I am Sarthak Chauhan and I am back with my new video. In this video, we learn about the data preparation phase to model the data in R Python. So, the data preparation phase to the model the data. The data preparation is a crucial step before modeling. It involves cleaning, transforming and organizing data to enhance its quality and relevance for analysis. Now, key steps includes its handling missing values, immutation or removal of records, data transformation in which normalization and standardizations occur, future engineering in which creating or modifying variable to improve model performance occur, and the last one is data partitioning in which divide the data into training, validation and test sets to evaluate model performance and unseen data. Now, let's know more about the data preparation. So, data preparation is a crucial phase in the data modeling process where a raw data is cleaned, transformed in structure to be used for analysis or machine learning. In both R and Python, data preparation can typically involve like importing raw data, handling missing or duplicates values, normalizing or transforming data, encoding categorical variables, future engineering and selection as we understand, splitting data into training and testing sets, data visualization and exploration, and many more. Now, partitioning the data involves splitting a datasets into subsets to train, validate, and test machine learning models. This is a critical step to ensure that data model performance well on unseen data and avoids overfitting. In this, we learn about how to partition the data in RPython, how to balance the training data sets in RPython, how to build cart decision tree using RPython, how to build C5.0 decision tree using RPython, and how to build random forest in RPython. Now, let me see partitioning the data. What is partitioning the data? Partitioning ensures unbiased evolution and reduce overfitting. Means used to train the model validation sets, used to tune model hyperparameters and assess performance during training, used to evaluate the model's performance to unseen the data. Partitioning in R using caret package, and we also can use tool package. And for in Python, we can use the train set split function and skitlearn function to partitioning the data. We can see an example here. In R, we are using a library named Caret, and in Python, we are using a sklearn model selection, importing training test split as we learned previous. Now, the third one is balancing the training data set. So, balancing a dating data sets is basically imbalanced data set can be biased the model towards the majority classes. Techniques include reassembling, synthetic techniques, and weighted models, in which reassembling overslaps the minority or underslaps the majority classes. Synthetic techniques use SOMAT means synthetic minority oversampling techniques, or weight models adjust loss functions to penalize misclassifications of minority classes. Let's see an example, R code example, in which we are using a library DMWR for balancing the data. And in Python, we are using a SMOT for balancing the data. Now, the next one is building cart decision tree. Now, building cart a decision tree for classification or regression in Python and R is straightforward using popular libraries such as skitlearn in Python and rpart or partykit in R. Cart classification and regression tree splits the data into subsets based on the feature that minimize impurity, like Gini index, entropy, and etc. This process creates a binary tree structure that is simple to interpret, handles non-linear relationships as well. In R code, we use rpart libraries as we'll see further, and in Python, we use matplotlib.pyplot for building card decision tree in RPython. Now, the another one is building C5.0 decision tree. C5.0 is an advanced decision tree algorithm that use information gain ratio for splitting, supports boosting for better accuracy, typically faster and more accurate than card. We can use building C5.0 decision tree in R by using library called C50. And in Python, C5.0 is not directly implemented. So we use entropy as the certain R. So let's end this video here. I hope you understand well. Thank you for watching this video.